So now let's solve this one. Sine x plus tangent x divide 1 plus secant x equals to sine x. So sine x plus sine x divide cosecant x divide 1 plus 1 over cosine equals sine x. So we will manipulate the left hand. Sine x plus sine x cosine x sine x over cos x plus 1 over. So let's continue our solving. So we will multiply it by, so we cancel, and the remaining will be sine x is equal to sine x. That's all. It. So number 2 is for the 1 minus cosecant x over sine x. So sine x is equal to sine x over 1 plus cos x. So we will multiply it by sine x, the both. So we get sine x squared is equal to sine x squared. Why did I put sine x? So let's continue it. So this time we manipulate the right hand. So the equals is 1 minus cosine x over sine x is equal to 1 minus cos x over sine x. And that's it.